Who would have thought that a few eggs added to vermicelli could create such a special delicacy? Once out of the pot, it becomes a dish that many hotels must order. Yet many people have never seen or eaten it. People who've tried it can't stop eating it. First, prepare a pack of authentic sweet potato vermicelli. Put it in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt and pour in some warm water. Soak it for 10 minutes on one side. Next, prepare a peeled potato. Cut it into 1 millimeter thick slices, then into thin strips. Try to cut evenly. If you're unsure how to do it by hand, you can use a grater. Soak the potato strips in salt water to prevent oxidation and browning. Prepare a red radish. Slice it thinly, then cut it into strips about the same thickness as the potato. Place them on a plate. Cut half an onion into thin strips. After cutting, close your eyes and grab the onion shreds. Then mix them with the radish strips. Finally, prepare a few green onions and cut them into small rings. Place them on a small plate. Prepare a small bowl and crack 2 eggs into it. Stir well with chopsticks. After 5 minutes, our vermicelli should be soaked enough. If it breaks easily with a gentle tap, it's ready. Boil a pot of water and blanch the vermicelli for 1 minute until soft. Then, drain and place it on a plate to cool slightly. Pour the eggs into the vermicelli and mix well with chopsticks, ensuring the egg coats the vermicelli evenly. Now, take the potatoes out of the salt water and put them into another bowl. Add the carrot shreds, onions, vermicelli with egg mixture, and green onions. Season with salt, 5-spice powder, chicken essence, and oyster sauce. No other seasoning is needed. Mix well with chopsticks. Next, add flour in small amounts. You don't need too much. It's just to bind the mixture. Mix well each time until it becomes sticky, as shown in the video. Preheat a pan and brush it with oil. Pour in the prepared vegetable mixture and spread it evenly with a spatula. Sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top, about 88 for good luck. Cover the pan with a lid and alternate between turning the heat on and off. First, cook for 3 minutes on one side, then flip and cook the other side. The whole process takes about 5 minutes. Dear family, I've shared over 100 home-cooked dishes, and I still haven't received your like. After cooking, take the pie out of the pan. To make it easier to eat, cut it into small pieces and place it on a plate. Serve it on the table. This very delicious vermicelli and egg vegetable pie is ready. It pairs perfectly with millet porridge. Though it's homemade, it has a wonderful Western-style flavor. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and full of taste. Adults and children alike will love it. If you like it, try making it at home.